Pero how much you...
20.
Wow, 20.
Kaya nga,
di ba? Okay na. Talaga ba? Really? Okay to kasi actually, yung safety, 24 hours,
Diba?
wala kang, hindi ka mag-iisip. Kasi, well, ano, kamusta? So, okay na tayo, may parking ka na. Yes! Welcome to The Real Deal of Real Estate. This is again Miss Abby. Here at Leaf Residences in Muntinlupa, and we're very excited to meet Miss Anne, our valued partner and client, unit owner din ng Leaf Residences, and she accept her parking today. Na-accept na namin before yung unit niya, and right now, we're accepting her temporary parking since yung pinaka-parking talaga niya is not yet ready for turnover. So, SMDC gave her another temporary parking to use. So, let's go and meet her and assist natin siya kung ano yung need niya kasi gusto niya rin ipa-rent yung kanyang unit for a long-term rental. So, let's go! Ma'am, ito yung aking mga kasama. Hello! Talaga ba? Actually, eto nga ang ganda na condo living, di ba? May swimming pool, security guard, para ka nasa hotel. Doable naman yung 20K. So, okay, meron ng gamit.
Yes!
Nilagyan mo na.
Nilagyan ko na ng range food, ref, dalawang aircon.
Si Ma'am Anne is our partner. Ang dami nang na-refer. So, actually, si Ma'am Anne is a unit owner too ng, anong unit mo?
609.
609. And ngayon, naka-long term rent ng 21 lang, no? 20 or 21? 20K. So, ganito rin yung setup. 2 bedroom, then 1-year contract yun. Lahat ng mga client namin with Miss Anne is from USA, no? Lahat
Australia.
And Australia. So, wala rito, kaya si Miss Anne ang SPA. Ang nagpapaghawak ng mga keys.
Correct.
Pasko na dito sa Leaf, ma'am.
Oo nga, ano lang September.
Oo nga, sa Berman. So, 5K pala ang renta na dito ng parking.
Yes. So,
Okay.
looks like meron na talaga.
So, ang ating parking na available for now,
Ay 208, so temporary parking to.
mm-mm.
When it's ready, then they will turn it over.
Kasi yung parking talaga nila, ma'am, is doon.
Yes.
Pero that one kasi is still under construction pa, no?
Yes.
Kaya ito muna
ayan,
yung binigay,
208.
208. Ay, ang ganda, lapit sa
Guard.
guard sa exit and entrance. Tapos malapit din sa Alcomart. For those who want to avail parking na mga nakatira na sa lift, may available tayo yung parking number 208. And that's, tingnan natin kung negotiable pa, pero 5,000 per month ang rent ng parking dito. Then, we have available unit na for rent din. Pero there's a lot of client, kaya feeling ko mamarerent agad din.
Okay,
So,
nice.
ayun. So, ang furnished unit natin is 25,000 per month ang rate. And then, 20 pagka semi, yung katulad kila ma'am na may aircon na, ref, and yung kila ma'am is with range wood. Pwede rin siyang washing. It really depends to. So, meron ding unfurnished, like yung unit ko na naparent, 18K naman pag wala talagang gamit. So, for those clients who looking for a place to live here at Muntinlupa, just let us know and we're the one assist you throughout. Thank you! Alright, so today, natapos na tayo for assisting our client, Miss Anne. Na-accept natin yung unit niya for listing sa rental ng long-term. It's a 2-bedroom unit with semi-furnished. May kasama ng aircon, ref, range hood, and cooktop. No? And ililist natin yan for a long-term rental. And we also do assisting her sa pag-accept ng kanyang parking, which is also available for rental, a long-term rental for a 5,000 per rent in a whole 1 year. It's a successful day, so thank you so much. Again, with Adjo Elite, hindi lang kayo nag-invest sa property, you invested in a lifestyle, your future, and a hassle-free rental opportunity.